Well, hello and good money, good money, good money. I am your good money multiplier, Consuela Hopkins, and it's Friday, and I'm coming live with you today to talk about the business of the business, which is what we love, right? We're going to be talking about today so many wonderful things about your accounting, right? It is third quarter. It's time to make sure we in order. But at first, we were thinking about, being balanced, and it feels so good, right? What that feels like, what we need to be talking about. But we're going to get into that in just a minute. Again, I'm Consuela Hopkins, your good money multiplier. And I am here because I help real estate developers, agents, and brokers. Anyone in the industry that wants to truly scale their business, I help you increase your revenue, decrease your tax liability, and I'll help you acquire funding through business strategies and financial coaching. I mean, it's what I do. And, having an award-winning accounting firm, running it, founding it for the past 25 years, over 25 years, honestly. I just don't feel that old. It's hard to say it sometimes. I help entrepreneurs, small businesses, and real estate professionals see the money they didn't know they had and then teach you how to multiply it. It's real. I have that blueprint, and I just wanted to make sure we get in here and talk about that. But one of the things, last night, and I've been out yesterday, I went to a ribbon cutting. I'm one of the park board commissioners, and we were had a ribbon cutting, and there was just a few people I ran into, and some business owners. And one of the things that I'm realizing is that, if your books are not in balance, if you are truly running a business, and you do not want that business to be running you, and your books are not in balance, it's really hard for the other things in your lives to flow, right? How do you know how much money you have to invest? How do you know how much money you have to spend? How do you know, where your profit and loss was for the year? But what I really also thought, seeing and talking to other individuals, I want to talk about how not having your books in order, do you know it keeps you in a struggle? It keeps you struggling. It's a struggle mindset, almost a scarcity mindset. Because I was talking to someone, and for them, the reality of really seeing their bank account, seeing their books, seeing the fact that they're making six figures, six high figures now, was a problem to them. They didn't know what to do with it. A scarcity mindset keep you in struggle. So I wanted to talk about what truly being in balance. We'll get back to your balance sheet and your profit and loss statement. But let's talk about you as a business owner and not being in balance, your finances imbalanced. What does that do? What does that look like even for you personally? How are you truly going to scale to seven figures, eight figures, which is easy to do in today's economy? Listen to what I'm saying. But you got to be balanced. And I know that if we keep this struggle mindset, right? If we keep on feeling as if, the struggle is real, we got to get past struggle. And you got to really understand and be in striving. You want to strive. And the ultimate goal is where I'm at, where that's that step, sovereignty. When you just sitting back knowing whose you are and allowing things to work out to you, allowing abundance to come to you. But again, if you are every month after month after month, you're having a hard time balancing your books or getting into a tax account and know what they're doing, that's good when they touch things. Got that Midas touch, right? And things multiply, things happen. There's a reason for that. So let's talk about that. Look at that. Because you want to make sure that we're moving out of struggle. You cannot be running a successful business staying in struggle. And so if your books are not in balance, what is your home life looking like? What are your personal business looking like? Your home, right? Are you balanced in your life? Are you taking time for yourself to drink plenty of water, to relax, to play with those kids or grandkids, right? You got to get balanced, you guys. And this ain't no plaything. And what I'm realizing and what I've learned in my life is that I'm the type of person, I'm only going to talk so much. And I was raised to say, I can show you better than I can tell you, right? But what I realize is this generation, we need to be talking. We need to be telling each other. We need to be educating one another. But the information is only going to be here so long because I want to be around other people that's doing what's only in my dreams, what's in my mind. I want to get there and get quiet and learn and listen to some things. So right now, I want to share some good gems with you guys. Get balanced. Hey, Queen. Hello, hello, hello. How is life treating you, love? Thank you so much for your continued prayers. I love that and I appreciate it more than you know, babe. Thank you so much. We need them. We need them. God is keeping us though. And that is why I'm so serious, because I know that if I wasn't already in order, if I didn't have a personal relationship with our Father up above, I just don't know. I can't even imagine what it would be like to go through something devastating or even just going through life, you guys. But again, if you're running a business, you got to be in order. You got to balance. We have to get out of struggle. Not having your books in order keeps you in struggle, whether you know that or not. Not knowing, being able to count off your hands, what your profit was for the month, for the quarter, keeps you in struggle. Those are the things you should be talking about. And word to the wise, if you hanging around people, if you know people, if your everyday folk ain't talking about what their profit was last month, last quarter, what book they want to read, that they're truly balanced in their business, in their personal life, right? In your spiritual life. But that for me goes without saying. You got to be balanced. Take some time for yourself. But when you balance, like this title says, ooh, it feels so good. Trust me when I say that. Trust me. I've been in business over 30 years. Over 30 years. And I'm blessed now to run multiple businesses successfully. And I'm talking to my real estate professionals, anybody looking to, be a landlord. If you're already a landlord, if you're an investor, a developer, I have plenty of brokers on my roster, my accounting firm. And what we're teaching is how to be true investors, how to be able to make multiple streams of income. But if you cannot organize one income, your one business, how are you going to be able to delegate and also look at and look over those financials for other ones as well? And I can teach you how to do it. It's not hard. I know a lot of us was told, oh, we're not good at math, not good at science. It's a lie. You guys, this is basic math. I'm telling you it is. It's basic math. But you got to be able to be diligent. You got to take the time and put some time apart to look at your own business, even before you turn it over to someone else, right? And be able to have that conversation to know what it looks like to be in balance. I talk about what are your goals, and not just in your business, but personally. What do you want to do? What do you see for your children? You got to be able to be looking at least 2-3 generations down the line, you guys. And I know most people don't think about it, but trust me when I say, when you're in balance, even in your finances, it makes a difference. All of that falls in order. And yes, let me call a couple of you out, because I've been talking to you and I know that I know. If you've been in business 5 years or more and you still got receipts in your glove box, shoe box, and envelopes, shame on you. Shame on you. God bless you to do something in your calling, something that you're good at and you love to do, and you ain't going to make sure the finances in order so he can multiply it? Come on now. No. Schedule a consultation with me. We'll chat 15 minutes, get some things in order, and then we'll get you a game plan. Trust and believe that. So honestly, guys, that's what I want to talk about today. Are you in order and balanced? And it feels so good. I'm telling you, it does. Get to the other side of this. You got some side hustles. We got some bonus freebies going out next month. We got some phenomenal things launching, you guys. I've been busy. My team's been busy because I know this is my year to multiply like never before. But I go into every year that way, because why not? We claim that we King's kids. We know that we've been called to do it abundance. We are supposed to live in abundance. But when you're out of order, if you want to stay in struggle, you'll never see it and enjoy it. Now, I know a lot of millionaires. I got clients make good money, but they don't know the basics of how to keep their banks, how to even keep their checking account back in the day, right? Now, most times we don't even use the checking account. But they don't even know how to even look and read their profit and loss statements. And I'm telling you, there's no shade. I want to teach you how to do that if you do not. Because how are we going to grow? How you going to get to where you see in your mind's eye when you sitting at home chilling, you just relaxing? And you see them thoughts of where you're supposed to be, where you and your family and your children, your grandchildren, if you blessed to have some, where you're supposed to be. That's what I'm talking about. Striving. Get away from suffering and the struggle. We got to those are negative words, negative things. Strive for abundance. Strive for your books to be in balance. Strive for your home to be in order. Strive to have a beautiful relationship and you blessed to be married. Even if you're engaged or even in a relationship, even with your friends, strive to be in balance, you guys. It's a game changer. Let's promise ourselves. Let's look. Schedule Consuelos.com. Take some time. Now, if I'm taking some time out to talk with you, to share some gems with you, it really behooves you to make sure you get the information. Because it's a game changer. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. And what I do know, I'm here for a limited time, where my time will be even available to sit down and have a chat with you, 15 minutes, free. But I'm here because I have a desire to see you grow. I don't care who you are. The Lord blessed me to have love in my heart that I want to see us grow. I want to see us prosper. It's a beautiful thing when you live in that way. When you have an abundance. Even if your bank account is on zero. It's a mindset. Trust me, I'm telling you what I know. So because, again, I know that there's things and people that I need to start sitting in front of, that I have a desire to sit with, to learn with, to sit and be quiet, right? Ask some questions. So I'm here for you. Now, also, you can go to mygoodmoneytips.com. mygoodmoneytips.com. Sign up for our email list. I send all kind of goodies out on there for you. You get things before most people do, right? Different strategies, different discounts. Our Good Money Multiplier program, we got another junior one coming out with that. It's phenomenal. Tenant University, Landlord University, Kids Play University, and Business University. You don't know how to do business that they ain't taught you in college, they ain't taught you in high school. It's in here. Business University. We're launching next month. So we're doing some phenomenal things. But I want to make sure that you're ready, that you also can grab hold to some good things, you guys. Balance yourself. That's right. Balance and a mind shift. It's time. It's time. Haven't you been in struggle long enough? Or you know someone that has? If you know someone that's been in business and you can see in their face, you can see the way they're taking care of business, they're getting tired of dealing with their clients, they're complaining. They need a mind shift change. They done forgot their why. And I guarantee you more than anything, if they remember their why and they're complaining, their books are not in balance. It makes a difference. And the Lord blessed me with a gift to not only know how to bless your books, put them in order for you in a way that you can understand them. Then he taught me how to put them on a tax return and make sure you maximize what you're supposed to get back. Now, love you guys. You be blessed. Share this with someone you know that could utilize it. Thank you so much for joining me on Friday, the business of the business. We also sharing some things about Dubai coming up. So you guys stay tuned. We got some great things coming up. It was amazing seeing you guys. Hey, Shannon. Hey, everyone. God bless you guys. Good to see you. All right. And I might get back to my little script of balance sheets and income statements. We might talk about that later. But the Lord put upon my heart that we need to get in balance. So that's what we talked about. Remember that, you guys. And I'm only a little check away from a calendar. Schedule Consuelos.com. A team and I make sure we take care of you. You guys be blessed. Love you now.